Hi everyone. In this chapter, we will discuss how to move around in Word 2010. Word provides a number of ways to move around a document using the mouse and the keyboard. Let's create some sample text. To create a sample text, there is a shortcut available. Open a new document and type is equal to RAND bracket start and number of paragraphs that you want. And I need 10 paragraphs, and I will put the 10 number and bracket close and press the enter button. Word will create the following content for you. And if you want to move with the mouse, then just click the place that you want to go. If you want to move uh, end of the text, then move around your mouse and click at the last of the paragraph or last of the page or last of the line, end of the line, and you will move at the end of the line, end of the page, and end of the paragraph. And if you want to move at the home of the paragraph or home of the line or home of the page, then you will click at the start. You will move at the start. And if you want to move between the line and between the text, then just click and you will move. And the main point of this chapter is the moving with keyboard. The following keyboard commands used for moving around your document. Also move the insertion point. Number one is the left arrow key, right arrow key and left arrow key, and is the up arrow key and down arrow key, and page up and page down and home and end. These commands used for moving around the text, and these are the command that only used for character to character movement. These commands are only used for character to character movement. So let's take an example. I will move the text between here, and if we here the text, I want to move to the right of the text, I will just click the right arrow key button, and I am moving from left to right. And if I want to move from right to left, I will just click the left arrow key button. I am moving from right to left. And if I want to move between line by line, and I will just click the down arrow key and I'm moving down. And if I want to move up, I will just click the up button. Here is the up button. So if I want to move uh, between the start of the line or end of the line, and if I want to move word by word, there is other command, or there is the other key button that will be used. You can move word by word or paragraph by paragraph as you learn. In next, we will use the control button for moving word by word, or moving paragraph by paragraph, or page up or page down, and we will use the control button. So if we use control plus right arrow key, it will be used for the to the next word. And if we use control plus left arrow key, this is the previous word we will use for the previous word. And if we use control and up arrow key to start to the start of the previous paragraph, and if we use the control and down arrow key to start of the next paragraph, this will be used. And to the previous browse object, we will use the control plus page up, and for the to the next browse object, we will use the control plus page down, and control plus home to the beginning of the document, and control plus end to the end of the document, and shift plus F5 to the last place you change into your document. So we as we learned these shortcuts and these key button that are used for movement in the text. In the next lecture, we will discuss about the selection of the text, how to select the text using these all commands, and these arrow keys, and is equal to control and plus control button in the next lecture. So in we will meet inshallah in next lecture.